Welcome to MHS North Weather. I'm student meteorologist Tara Simpson. It is Tuesday, the 26th of February. Current plus 34.6 degrees. Barometer is at 30.32 inches. It's on the rise this morning. And this morning's background is Fenway Park in Boston. Take a look at the current temperatures across the nation. Boston's at 30. DC is at 33. The warm spot this morning is Miami at 75. The cold spot is Minneapolis at 24. Take a look at the current temperatures closer in our area. Mid-30s out towards the Cape and the Islands, work your way back towards Boston. Boston is right around 30, and then lower 20s out towards Western Mass and the Berkshires. Take a look at the current surface analysis. You notice this blizzard, this has been creating quite some trouble out towards the middle part of the country. That'll scoot its way up onto the Great Lakes region, and I'll explain how it will affect us a little bit later. This is the surface analysis closer in our area. You'll notice that mix of sun and clouds. They will be with us throughout the day today, and then we'll have those clouds that will be working its way on in from the west. They'll be working their way on in later today. Taking a look at the projected temperatures for today, I'm thinking Boston's going to hit 39. 43 in Norwood, 42 in Plymouth, Taunton 43, New Bedford 38, Hyannis 37, and then Chatham at 38. Orange is 38, and then Northern Mass, North Adams will be right around 36, 40 in Westfield. So generally, we are in the lower 40s today. Taking a look at the storm for tomorrow, well, I kind of changed my thought from yesterday. I think it's going to be a little bit further east than it was yesterday. So that means that we'll have a heavy pocket of snow setting up from central New York all the way into portions of central Vermont and central Maine, affecting the mountains, the northern Catskills, as well as the White Mountains of New Hampshire and the Green Mountains of Vermont. It may affect also the northwestern portions of the Berkshire. For us, I think it's mainly rain here in southern New England. I think most of Massachusetts is going to be rain. Can't rule out it starting as a flurry, but I think it's mainly going to be rain. This is the snowfall totals, 1 to 3 inches generally from Worcester, points north and west. The key with this storm is elevation. I think you really need to go to about 600 feet in elevation to get any real accumulating snow. To put that in perspective, Millis, we are roughly at 200 feet of elevation, so you're really going to need to get out towards Western Mass in order to get some snowfall accumulation. Then we could see 4 to 6 out towards the spine of the Berkshires, places like North Adams, Franklin County, Berkshire County. That's where you could see 4 to 6 inches. But again, it's all elevation, especially this time of the year. Where it snows is just a matter of how high up you are. And then this is the, I'm still thinking that this low is going to transfer its energy to a storm off the coast. Now the difference is I think that that storm is going to transfer its energy in central Pennsylvania rather than out here up the Great Lakes. So that affects where it's going to set up. I think it's going to set up just off the coast at this point. And then it'll go way off of Nantucket, affecting only eastern and central Massachusetts with some snow. But this is what I was thinking yesterday. It could take this path as well. Still a few days out. This is for Friday, so there's still some time to fine-tune my forecast. This, I don't think is likely anymore. I think that it'll be somewhere offshore, as I showed in my other graphics. Now, I still think that south central Massachusetts has the greatest chance for accumulating snow out of the storm for Friday. I think maybe a few inches. I don't think it's a blockbuster by any means. Maybe 4 to 5 inches, but I think the greatest chances in this area, and then the chances decrease as you work your way west of Worcester, and then also the Cape Cod Canal. I think they have lower chances than south central Massachusetts. And take a look at the MHS 103 weather 5-day forecast for Tuesday. Mix of sun and clouds, high temperature of 39 for Wednesday. It may start out, that storm may start off as mix, and there will be precipitation throughout the entire day. Although I think it's mainly going to be rain, high temperature of 42 degrees for Wednesday. For Wednesday, we are going to have a high temperature of, for Thursday, we are going to have a high temperature of 40 with some snow for later on in Thursday. And then we could be affected with some snow on Friday. There is a chance that that snow may linger into Saturday. That's why I have that icon up there. Still a few days out, still time to change. And then Sunday we have a high temperature of 41 with a mix of sun and clouds, that storm departing. And thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather revision by going to Facebook page, Tyler Simpson-MHS1 with the weather.